Are you ready for a future where your job might not exist? Imagine waking up one day and a machine has taken over your work. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's happening now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaking up every industry. It's coming for jobs faster than you think. By 2030, 300 million jobs could be gone or changed forever because of AI. That's 300 million. But here's the thing: we can prepare, adapt, and thrive in this new world. Let's dive into the jobless future. We'll uncover shocking facts and figure out how to stay one step ahead. Let's get ready for the future. AI is like a super smart computer that can think, learn, and do things humans used to do. It's not just robots building cars. It's AI writing articles, diagnosing diseases, and even helping lawyers. And it's moving fast. According to a 2023 Goldman Sachs report, AI could disrupt 300 million jobs worldwide by 2030. That's like the entire population of the United States losing their jobs or having them completely changed. Think your job is safe? Think again. Even doctors, lawyers, and programmers aren't immune. AI is already in industries like tech, healthcare, and retail. For example, in 2024, companies like Tesla cut 14,000 jobs. Part of that was because AI and automation made some roles unnecessary. That's one company in 1 month. And it's not just big tech. A 2025 World Economic Forum report says 40% of companies plan to reduce their workforce by 2030. That's because AI can do tasks faster and cheaper. Imagine you've worked hard to become an accountant or a graphic designer. Then poof, an AI tool does your job better, faster, and for free. That's scary, right? It's okay to feel worried. But we're going to talk about how to turn that fear into action. Let's talk about some real-world examples. At British Telecom, they're planning to cut 10,000 jobs over the next few years. They're replacing workers with AI chatbots for customer service. And it's not just customer service. AI can now write news articles, design logos, and even help doctors read X-rays. A 2023 study by McKinsey says 14% of workers globally might need to switch careers by 2030. That's millions of people. AI isn't just taking boring, repetitive jobs. It's coming for creative ones too. Tools like DALL-E can create stunning artwork in seconds. A 2024 Pew Research study says 30% of media jobs could be automated by 2035. That's journalists, graphic designers, and even video editors. In offices, AI is already doing things like writing reports and analyzing data. Those used to be jobs for highly educated people. So which jobs are in the danger zone? Let's break it down. AI loves tasks that are repetitive or based on patterns. Things like data entry, customer service, and some parts of accounting are super easy for AI to take over. A 2025 World Economic Forum report says 40% of programming tasks could be automated by 2040. That's right, even coders aren't safe. A resume builder survey found that 48% of companies using ChatGPT had already replaced workers with AI. That's almost half. And in April 2024, 800 jobs in the US were directly blamed on AI. That's the highest number since the year before. Here's a big one: entry-level jobs. These are the jobs young people, like high school or college grads, often start with. A 2025 post on X by Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei warned that AI could wipe out half of entry-level white-collar jobs in the next 1 to 5 years. That's things like data analysts, junior programmers, and office assistants. He even said unemployment could spike to 10 to 20. That's Great Depression level numbers. Okay, let's talk about jobs AI can't easily take. Jobs that need human emotions, creativity, or complex decision-making are safer. Think about nurses, who need to comfort patients. AI can't do that. Or teachers, who inspire kids in ways a computer can't. A 2024 OECD report says only 10% of teaching tasks are automatable by 2040. And jobs like construction or plumbing, AI might help. But humans are still needed for the hands-on work. Even in safe jobs, AI is changing how we work. For example, Doctors use AI to read scans, but they still make the final call. A 2023 Lancet study says 25% of medical admin tasks could be gone by 2035. But nurses and therapists are safe because they need empathy. So, some jobs are at risk, but others will just change, and new jobs will pop up too. Now, let's talk about the good news. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating them too. A 2023 World Economic Forum report says AI could create 69 million new jobs by 2025. Even if it eliminates 83 million, that means new opportunities. Jobs like AI trainers, cybersecurity experts, and renewable energy technicians are growing fast. McKinsey says demand for STEM jobs, that's science, technology, engineering, and math, could grow by 23% by 2030. That's because companies need people to build, manage, and fix AI systems. Think about it. Someone has to teach AI how to work, right? Jobs like AI ethicists, who make sure AI is fair, or data scientists, who analyze huge amounts of info, are booming. And it's not just tech. The green economy, like solar panel installers or wind turbine engineers, is growing too. The World Economic Forum says the green economy could create millions of jobs as we fight climate change. This is exciting. It means there's hope. You don't have to be left behind. You can learn new skills and jump into these growing fields. It's like a new adventure waiting for you. But here's the catch: these new jobs need new skills. A 2025 PwC report says workers in AI-exposed jobs need to learn skills 25% faster than last year. That means you can't just sit back and hope your job is safe. You've got to keep learning. Let's talk about real people adapting to this change. Take Sarah, a customer service rep who lost her job to a chatbot. She took an online course in data analysis and now works for a company that uses AI to predict sales. She's earning more than before. Stories like this show that AI doesn't have to be the end, it can be a new beginning. Another example, Lat Healthcare. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, but it's also creating jobs for people who manage those AI systems. A 2025 PwC report says even industries like mining and agriculture are using AI, creating new roles for workers who know how to use it. Okay, let's get practical. How do we prepare for this AI revolution? The motto is, prepare for the future. You can't stop AI, but you can stay ahead of it. Here are 5 simple steps anyone, even a 14-year-old, can start doing today. First, keep learning. AI is changing jobs fast, so you need to stay curious. Take free online courses on platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy. Learn about coding, data analysis, or even how AI works. A 2025 World Economic Forum report says 77% of companies plan to retrain workers to work with AI. You can start now. You don't need to be a genius to learn coding. Websites like Khan Academy have free beginner courses that teach you step by step. Even 10 minutes a day can make you a pro in a few months. And if coding's not your thing, learn skills like critical thinking or communication. AI can't replace those. Second, work on skills AI can't do. Things like creativity, empathy, and leadership are super hard for AI to copy. Jobs like teaching, therapy, or management need that human touch. A 2024 OECD report says these skills will stay in demand. Empathy is the big one. AI can analyze data, but it can't comfort someone who's upset or inspire a team. Focus on jobs where you connect with people. For example, nursing and social work are growing because they need human care. Third, be ready to switch careers. A McKinsey report says 12 million Americans might need to change jobs by 2030. Don't be afraid to try something new. If you're a cashier, maybe train to become a solar panel installer. The green economy is booming. Switching careers doesn't mean starting from zero. Use your current skills and build on them. For example, if you're good at organizing, you could learn project management. There are tons of free resources online to help you transition. Fourth, don't fight AI, use it. AI can make you better at your job. For example, writers can use AI to brainstorm ideas, and marketers can use it to analyze data. A 2023 SANA report says 29% of work tasks can be improved with AI, not replaced. Think of AI like a super smart assistant. If you're a student, use AI to help with homework or research. If you're working, use it to automate boring tasks. The key is to learn how to use AI tools to make your work stand out. Fifth, keep up with AI news. Things are changing fast, and you need to know what's coming. Follow tech news on YouTube or X, and read reports from places like the World Economic Forum. Knowledge is power. Set a Google alert for AI job trends, or follow creators who break down tech news in simple ways. You don't need to be an expert, just stay curious. The more you know, the less scary the future feels. Let's be real, this is a lot to take in. It's normal to feel nervous about AI changing the world, but you're not powerless. By learning new skills, staying flexible, and using AI to your advantage, you can be ready for anything. Here's the big one: start today. Don't wait until AI takes over your job. Even small steps, like watching a YouTube tutorial or taking a free course, can make a huge difference. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. Let's end with the story of Jake, a 16-year-old who loved gaming. He started learning to code for fun, and now builds AI-powered apps. He's not waiting for the future, he's creating it. You can do this too. No matter your age or job, AI is changing the world, but it doesn't have to leave you behind. Here's what you need to do. Pick one new skill to learn this month: coding, data analysis, or even public speaking. Check out free resources like Code Academy or Coursera. Follow me for more tips on surviving the AI revolution. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Let's prepare together. The future might seem scary, but it's also full of possibilities. You have the power to shape your own path. Let's embrace the challenge and build a future where we thrive alongside AI. Thanks for watching. The jobless future is coming, but we can be ready. Let's prepare for the future together. Leave a comment with one skill you're going to learn, and I'll see you in the next video.